Hello, and welcome to another Kids in the Kitchen cooking class for the Junior League of Peoria. In this video, we're going to learn how to make barbecue carrot French fry sauce. So for this recipe, you'll need a bag of baby carrots, some mayonnaise, and some barbecue sauce. You can also use, if you would like, hot sauce for something a little spicier. Or, to make this recipe healthier, instead of mayonnaise, you can substitute the mayonnaise with plain Greek yogurt. So this is a very simple recipe. For this sauce, all you'll need to do is get a tablespoon, which I already have here, and put 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise in your bowl. And then once you have your mayonnaise in your bowl, you can decide if you'd like to add either barbecue sauce for a mild sauce or hot sauce for something a little spicier. I'm going to go ahead and use the barbecue sauce. So I am going to squirt in 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce. And mix that all together. And then once you have mixed the two, it will come out as this light caramel brown color. Alright, so the last thing I'm going to do is scoop my sauce out onto my plate of carrots. And while I'm doing that, I'll go ahead and tell you a fun fact about carrots. So carrots have something in them called beta carotene, and that is what makes them turn orange. And beta carotene is very good for us for our eyesight and also for our nails and how strong they are. So when you're all done and you've scooped your sauce out, you can go ahead and plate it with some carrot sticks. If you prefer something else, you can use veggie chips like I have here, or you could also slice up an apple and dip that in here as well. Another alternative is that if you don't like raw carrots, you can put your carrots in the oven for a few minutes, covered in olive oil and salt and pepper, and you can actually bake them in the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 or 15 minutes, and they'll come out hot and crispy like French fries would. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you'd like more like it, you can look at juniorleagueofpeoria.org. Thank you. Bye.